Before we jump into the website, I will tell you a little bit about PropertyShark. What we are is data aggregators. So when you come on to PropertyShark, as you see on our home page, the primary function is entering an address to access our property reports. Our property reports are the result of our collection of data from various county sources. So, for example, in New York City, that's going to be the Department of Finance, the Department of City Planning, Department of Buildings, and a few other sources as well. We collect all of this information and use it to build out the property reports that you access from the home page. Now, the data we receive, we also use to build out other tools on the site. Those are available using these links here at the top. So, for example, you see our foreclosures section. This is where you'll get information on distressed properties. You'll be able to research properties that have a lien on them, as well as those that are scheduled for auction, and in some locations, the results of those auctions as well. We do have a free for sale section you can take a look at as well, where you can take a look at residential property for sale, commercial property for sale, and commercial property for lease as well. This section is free to use, so I advise anyone who's interested in looking for listings to go ahead and use this, especially if you specify in one particular borough but are looking in another one. You can always use PropertyShark for that. The comparables. We're getting information from the Department of Finance on recent sales regularly. So the comparables tool allows you to do valuations on properties based on recent sales information of similar properties. Our maps section is where we'll detail property information on a larger scale. So not just relative to a particular address, but say, for example, on a larger scale like a neighborhood or even a zip code or an entire borough or the whole city. Lastly is our leads tab. This is where you are able to generate lists of properties by type and location, and then also download mailing lists of property owners if you'd like as well.